Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace side view mirror Toyota Sienna, updated. Begin by parking on level ground, disconnecting the battery, and removing the interior trim panel to access the mirror bolts. Carefully support the mirror as you remove electrical connectors, unbolt the mirror, and slowly lift it away. Keep mounting screws and clips organized, inspect wiring harnesses, and test the new mirror before reassembling the trim. Start by removing the door panel clips and window switch bezel to expose the mirror mounting area. Use a trim tool to avoid damaging plastic and keep track of all screws. Disconnect the mirror motor connector carefully, then support the mirror assembly while you remove the 3 mounting nuts. Transfer any wiring grommets to the new mirror, align the studs, hand-tighten nuts, and torque to manufacturer spec after testing operation. After installing the new mirror, reconnect the battery and test every function including power adjust, heating, and turn signal if equipped. Check for wobble or vibration by gently pressing the mirror while the vehicle is stationary, and retorque fasteners if needed. If folding or heating fails, inspect the connector pins and continuity and repair broken wires. Safely reinstall the door panel, verify window function, and enjoy your restored side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.